Welcome back. High Court has questioned Goa government over shortage of medicines at GMC and other district hospitals. Explanation has been sought over a notice within 2 weeks. Health Minister Francis D'Souza on Tuesday visited GMC and held review meeting with the heads of the faculties. He claimed that GMC is being overburdened due to excess patients from the neighbouring states. Moreover, he admitted that medicine tender process was messed up. Ironically, the department was handled by current CM Parsikar before Francis took it over from him.
The High Court on Tuesday took cognizance of a news item published in a local daily narrating the story of shortage of medicines at Goa Medical College. Tagging this matter with another PIL related with public health care, the High Court issued notice to the state government. The court has asked Goa government to explain why there is shortage of medicines in the GMC and other district hospitals. The court has also asked to explain how government will provide adequate supply of medicines. Goa government has to file its reply within 2 weeks. Health Minister Francis D'Souza on Tuesday visited GMC and reviewed the situation. He says the GMC is overburdened due to influx of patients from the neighboring states.
District hospital and बाकीच्या जागेच्या हॉस्पिटलामध्ये पेशंटांक GMC धाडटा आनी काय ना ते ट्रीटमेंट दिना फक्त GMC धाडटा GMC ओवरलोड जाता गोंया भायले पेशंट येता म्हणून GMC ओवरलोड जाता इतके पेशंट आमकां फुकट ट्रीटमेंट दिवपाक कोता घेवचे ना.
Responding to the contention regarding shortage of medicine, Francis D'Souza admitted that the medicine tender process was messed up. Authorities are now sorting it out.
DHS, GMC, dentistry, psychiatry सगळे एक कॉमन टेंडर करपाचा प्रयत्न केलो आनी सगळे कॉमन करून आमकां प्रॉब्लम नाही तयार जाले कितें ते DHS रिक्वायरमेंट वेगळे GMCचे वेगळे डेंटिस्ट्रीचे रिक्वायरमेंट वेगळे आणि सायकॅट्रीचे रिक्वायरमेंट वेगळे वेगळे म्हणून कॉमन करून काय अर्थ ना तेका ते सेपरेटच जावपा जाय म्हणून परत ते सेपरेशन करचे पडले सगळे मॅच सर.
Our reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Turshidar Shari for Prudent.
E-governance is the key to transparent functioning. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said this at the concluding function of e-governance leadership meet in Panji on Tuesday. He said that government officials will initiate steps to start e-governance. Government of Goa is also planning to implement Government of India scheme of e-district project.
E-governance खंयची फायल केन्ना गेली कोणाच्या टेबलार गेली ही कळटली न्ही ट्रान्सपरन्सी येतली न्ही ट्रान्सपरन्सी आयली की जबाबदारी येता न्ही निश्चित
डिले उरचे
हय डिले करचे ना आनी ट्रान्सपरन्सी हें म्हत्वाचें आसा न्ही अखेर करप्शन वीड आउट करतलो जाल्यार ट्रान्सपरन्सी इज अ मस्ट आनी त्यामुळे ज्या क्षेत्रांत जावं शकता थंय आमी फुडें वचूंक जाय.
2 दिसांचे मीट जालो ई-गव्हर्नन्साची तर गोंयान 100% ई-गव्हर्नन्स हाडपाचे स्टेप्स
100% ऑल ऑफ अ सडन तशें जावप कठीण आसता पूण निश्चित काही क्षेत्रांनी आमी करूं शकतले. तलाठ्या कडेन किंवा मामलतदार डेप्युटी कलेक्टर जंय सामान्य मनीस सामको कंटाळटा परत फावटी मारता आनी जंय रिस्पॉन्स मेळना 15 दीस आनी जेतूनसून करप्शन वाडटा तें जर कमी जावंक जाय जाल्यार ऑनलायन पद्दत जावंक जाय म्हणजे ऑनलायनीन जे आसात इंडिविज्युअल ऑनलायन आसात किंवा CSCसून आसात ही एक पद्दत जावंक जाय.
Forest Department successfully trapped a leopard at Kerwada in Usgaon. The team had laid a trap after residents complained of leopard attack on 2 cows in the area. The trap was laid on Sunday night and leopard was caught on Tuesday morning. The leopard was found in an injured state. Forest officials claim that leopard sustained self-inflicted injuries. The leopard has been now shifted to Bondla. We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.